Since we last spoken, or even just in general over the last 6 months or so, what we've seen at Tru Optik is a lot more attention being focused on the over-the-top and connected TV market in particular, not only from content owners and media companies, but also from brands and agencies. So whereas, say, in 2015, it was something that people were talking about in the future, oh, the audience is starting to shift OTT, we have to start thinking about it. Really, what we're seeing is more of a sense of urgency in terms of trying to figure out how to measure or segment or do attribution as marketing dollars are starting to shift over the top.
So tell us a little bit about the depth of your data source and where that is, where it's going, and the value that you're finding, and that and how that's changing the business proposition.
Yeah, so and really we've evolved a lot as well over the last year, 18 months. So the legacy business, or the thing that kind of separated Tru Optik in the market, was that we measure both people's owned and operated over-the-top apps, as well as what we call the open OTT ecosystem. So that's people downloading, streaming, sharing professionally produced content across peer-to-peer networks. And the reason why that was important was one, it was kind of the only leading indicator for audience and consumer demand in over-the-top. So media companies use that to kind of figure out what content to license or opportunities to distribute their content. But what we've realized more so over the last year is that the real significant part of that was really the technology. In the peer-to-peer ecosystem, there's no device IDs, there's no cookies, there's no APIs, there's no SDK you can leverage. So it was really IP, time series, user agent, segmentation, and kind of all the core problems that legacy providers in the measurement and data management space have had with this transition to connected TV are the same problems. There's no cookies, there's no device IDs. It's not practical to leverage an SDK across all these fragmented connected devices. And so what we've done is really over the last year is taken that tech stack and those patents and created solutions for the over-the-top commercial system. So since we last spoke, we launched the OTT Data Cloud a few months ago, which is the first data marketplace for third-party data that can be used across connected TV. So we have partners like Experian and CrossPixel, V12, MediaSource, Target Smart. So a lot of the partners that the major agencies and media companies already have been leveraging successfully across desktop and mobile, and we made that data actionable across connected TV. And that's really where we've seen kind of our business explode over the last quarter or so is with major DSPs and publishers and media companies integrating our data management platform to be able to leverage the OTT Data Cloud on connected TV.